The MaxSeal tailgate seal keeps dust, rain, and snow out of your truck bed. The MaxSeal creates a tight seal along the sides and bottom of your tailgate. It's universally cut to fit any vehicle. Just cut, peel, and stick. Our MaxSeal is made of all-weather grade UV, oil, and gas-resistant EPDM industrial high-strength rubber. To install a MaxSeal, you want to prep the areas that you're going to apply it. Take a rubbing alcohol pad, wipe down the areas to which you're going to adhere the MaxSeal to. Once you prep the area by rubbing it down with rubbing alcohol, you want to measure your strips for your tailgate and your sidewalls. Remove the adhesive tab and apply the MaxSeal at the base of the tailgate. Remember, when you're installing your MaxSeal, you want the bulb end of the seal towards the interior portion of the bed. As you can see, the MaxSeal is very easy to install. Installation can be completed in less than 5 minutes. For more information on the MaxSeal, check out Extang's website, extang.com.